Question number 1. What services are you acquiring from Sam?
We are using their SEO marketing.
Okay, perfect. And are you satisfied with that service?
Yes. Yep. I'm satisfied. Yes, for SEO marketing, yes.
Question number 3. Are you satisfied with the teams at Sam?
Yes. Yeah. No, they've been very responsive, very helpful.
Question number 4. Do you think there's any particular factor that makes our services unique from other digital marketing companies?
Well, I would just say you guys are very responsive. And if I have a question or something, I can usually get an answer very quickly, which is something that definitely sets you apart, I'd say.
Okay, last question. Would you recommend our company to anyone who is looking for digital marketing services?
Yeah, I would recommend you guys. Certainly. Definitely.